Vroom, vroom. Yesterday I went to the Lego shop. I got this Lego for free. And plus I can't believe it that it's the Star Wars X-Wing starfighter. This is one of my favorite spaceships in Star Wars. Over here, the wings, they could open like this. Today, I'm gonna be building this spaceship from Star Wars. But first, I have to open it. Let's see where I could open it. Well, first, this is what I do. I just arrange all of the colors together so it could be easier, in my opinion. And finally, I finished organizing them into all their colors. Let's get started. By the way, since this only has 80 to 87 pieces, it comes with a small manual. It's only it's not a book, but it's small. Okay, now I finally finished my X-Wing starfighter, and over here I just added a few pieces. Like over here, those are the extras. Like not every extra, I just added so I won't really lose it. And over here, for me, I don't like turn it around. I just hold it like that, and boom. The only thing that could move it's because it's not real, but I wish it was real. So on over here, the back, the front part, it could barely like turn a bit. Well, here this piece fell, and that always happens. So don't worry, guys. If you like, share, and subscribe, it really helps my channel to grow, and I can make more LEGO videos or like maybe other videos. And over here it has 87 pieces, and it's a building toy. It's not like any random toy, it's a LEGO toy. It wasn't like in a carton. It's because like the carton, it's like the bigger and for more pieces, but this one, it's small and it only has 87 pieces. So I mean, it doesn't have to go, it doesn't have to be in a carton, but it can go in a bag. Watch more and build more.